If you hate children, I mean hate children, why would you ever book a cruise on a family-friendly cruise line? Why? Chris here with High Seas Cruising. Welcome to today's video. And we're going to talk about some cruise passengers that, well, they don't like children. I mean, they hate children, yet they book onboard family-friendly cruise lines. I get that not everybody likes kids. I get not everybody wants to be around kids. And there's options out there. There's choices out there in cruising if that's you. But if you book a family-friendly cruise, there's a good chance you're gonna see some children. And I got a couple of comments for you today of people who think exactly like that. They don't want these kids around. They booked the cruise all right, they got on board all right, but it was the kids were the problem and they shouldn't be there. I would think the easiest solution would be to book a cruise that suits your cruising style, maybe not expect others to change to suit your cruising style, because when cruise lines don't change, you get comments like this. Question, and don't crucify me for asking, but are children allowed in the Red Frog pubs? My husband and me and other people were playing beer pong. We were all a bit buzzed. Seeing teens walk into the pub ruined the game for us all. There should be no teens here in the evenings when it gets more rowdy. They should stay in the arcade where they belong. There should be one ship year-round that is designated for adults and not breeders. Just saying. I have discovered that any comment that ends with the words just saying is usually written by a jackwagon. Now, how a couple of teens walking into the Red Frog pub ruined the entire game for everybody involved, I'm just not sure. And why use the word breeders? Because breeders means those that have children, I'm thinking here, which isn't the teens that walked in there in the first place. That's the adults that had the children. So the ship should only be for adults, not people that have children? I'm not sure why that part of the comment doesn't even make sense to me. Now, reading between the lines, the fact that they wrote in a comment saying our game was ruined by teenagers walking in. Ships should be for adults and not breeders. I truly believe that if these teens had come in the Red Frog pub and caused an issue, caused a problem, been doing something they shouldn't have been doing, they would have also put that in the comment. I don't know that for sure. I'm just guessing. But if you're taking the time to write in the comment and they had actually done something, I'm pretty sure they would have included it to emphasize their point. So I'm led to believe that these teenagers simply walked in. Maybe they came in to get a soda. Because, on Carnival, depending on the ship, you got to go up to the bar to get a soda. Maybe their parents were in the Red Frog pub and they were going to join them. Don't know why they were there, but I do believe if they were causing an issue, somebody would have said something. But that's not the only comment I have for you today. I got one that's actually worse than that one. I got one from some people that apparently really dislike children. I mean, they hate children. And they made sure when they wrote in that comment, they let you know exactly how they felt about kids. DW and I are excited to be getting on our first ever Carnival ship. We decided on the Dream from Galveston. It is the adults only cruise, or at least we thought it was. We have cruised recently with blank. The cruise experience was marred by hundreds of rugrats everywhere. We hate children. We do not have any of our own, and for personal reasons, we hate being around them. The worst experience on our cruise on blank was in the restaurant. If your child misbehaves or is crying or laughing and screaming in a restaurant, take them outside or to the restroom till they settle. I am sure the ship's workers in the restaurant will reheat your meal for you. It's your child, so the only person who should be inconvenienced is you. The other diners have an expectation of being able to enjoy their meal in peace. This rule was not followed on blank. I am now told that our cruise on the 2-7 will have children and that this is not an adults cruise, which is what we booked. If this is the case and there will be children, we should be given a full refund. We are leaving on Saturday to drive to Galveston for Norman, Oklahoma. That's an 8-hour drive. We do not intend to do that if there are children on the cruise. They hate children. Now, the cruise they booked here on the Carnival Dream was an adults only cruise. Where they got their misinformation that it wasn't, I don't know. It was an adults only cruise, so at least there won't be any children on board that ship to be subjected to these type of people. Now, if you are in a restaurant with your kid, and yes, if your child is screaming and crying and is just generally upset, it is the nice, polite thing to do, obviously, to take them out of the restaurant, make them feel better. But they didn't include just crying and screaming. They said if the child is laughing. If there's a kid in the restaurant laughing at his table, having a nice time with his family, they should take him out of the restaurant immediately. How dare that child laugh and have fun? This is definitely some people you don't want on a family cruise with you anyway. You don't want these type of people around your children, because you know that's not going to be a pleasant experience for the kids. See, that's the beauty of cruising. You have options, you have choices. If you don't want to sail with kids, pick something where you're going to have no kids or a possibility of way fewer kids. But if you book the family-friendly cruise lines out there, your main cruise lines, your Carnivals, your Royal Caribbeans, your Norwegians, you're gonna see children on board unless it's a specialty adults-only cruise, like Carnival does have a few happening right now. But really, to write in a comment say cruise was just marred and ruined because hundreds of rugrats, nice way to talk about other people's kids, they were just everywhere, and we hate children. And I get not everybody likes kids. I get not everybody wants to have kids. That's okay. But remember, you have a choice. And if you dislike children, hate children, and don't want to be around children, don't book a cruise with a family-friendly cruise line. Kind of common sense, right? And that is going to be our video for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.